Customizing the background wallpaper on an LG phone. Customizing the wallpaper or background is the easiest way to make an LG phone unique and your own. There are two easy ways to get to the customization settings for your wallpaper and theme. For the first, simply press and hold on an empty area on the home screen for 1 to 2 seconds. When the menu appears at the bottom, tap on Wallpaper and Theme. For the second option, go to Settings. Then tap on Display and then Wallpaper and Theme. Once in the Wallpaper and Theme menu, you can tap on Wallpaper, Theme, or AOD, meaning Always on Display, to choose what you want to customize. In this video, we will focus on the wallpaper. You can choose from any of the default wallpapers, live wallpapers, which you can download from the Google Play Store or your gallery. To choose an image from your gallery, tap on Gallery, give permissions if prompted, and then choose the album where the image you want can be found. Once you have located the image, tap on it to open it. Then select the part of the image you want in the wallpaper by moving and resizing the box. You can do this by dragging on the highlighted corners. Once you are satisfied with the image you have chosen, tap on OK at the bottom. On the next screen, you can choose to set the image as the lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, or both. Choose what you want and then tap on Set Wallpaper. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your custom-themed LG phone.